All right, so right now it's Coach out front. Becco running second. And Moose in the third spot. So Moose staying where he started. Becco moving up one. Or rather, Coach moving up one. Becco moving down one. So just swapping around the order they started in there. Top two remaining the top two. One minute down, 4 minutes to go here for Coach. Looking to transfer to that A main. Becco looking to do the same. Moose trying to catch one of those trucks in front of him. He only has to get around one of them. Doesn't matter who it is, one or the other, and he'll be getting there. We got 1 minute and 15 down, 3 minutes and 45 left to go. Race number 2. You guys are up next. Race 2 up next. Beginners. Beginner A main. You guys are up next. Come get those transponders. .3:15 left to go, drivers. 3 minutes 15 left for Coach. Hot lap though is Becco. 22.9 on lap number 3. Coming up to the halfway point of this one, our B main for racing truck. 14 entries tonight in the racing truck class. Lots of racing truck going on. Beginner drivers, come get those transponders, guys. Beginner drivers, come get those transponders. You are up next. That one right there. And it looks like Becco getting into some trouble with traffic here. Is Moose going to be able to catch up here? He's not too far behind. Becco gets through the traffic though. So now Becco's got some open track to work with here. Got 1:30 left to go, drivers. 1:30 to go. Race leader out there is Coach. He is checked out. Mike Becco right now with about a 7-second lead over Moose. But Moose on his way. That's going to make it about a 9-second lead now. And last call for beginners. Haven't had really many of you come get your transponders, so let's come get them. Frank, Ed, Kyle, Bill, Rich, Chad, Robert, Eddie, and Mike. .45 seconds left to go. .30 seconds left. Mike. 20 to go, 20 to go. That is time. Cross the line and you will be done. Connor, you are done. Connor Padgett, you are done. Mike Fetko and Moose, you guys are done.